So in this video, we will see how to remove these recent files. So sometimes we are making some tutorials or we want to keep some of our files are private and then they are tend to open in these recent files. So how to remove that? So we'll go to Photoshop and then preferences. If you are using PC, you have to go to edit and then at the bottom, you're going to find preferences over there. But in the Mac, you will go to Photoshop, preferences, and then we're going to go to general tab. In the general tab, there is an option which is auto show the home screen. So we're going to uncheck that and then we will click use legacy new document interface, which is, if you're going to check this one, that means it will look like the Photoshop used to be in the previous versions. So make sure, you uncheck this one and then check this one. And then press OK. Once you restart your Photoshop, it will be that way. So I'm just gonna go to General tab again, but I'm okay with this one, so I'll press OK. Second thing is you're okay with the interface, but you don't want recent files to be here. That's even easier. So we'll go to File, Open Recent, and then we can clear recent files. So once we're gonna clear recent files, it's gonna clear everything right away over there. But the thing is, once you're again gonna open the files, it will still show those files over here. So how to get rid of those? To do that, we will go to again preferences. So with the Mac, I will go to Photoshop preferences, and here I will go to file handling. If you're using PC, you will go to edit preferences and then file handling. I will go here, and at the bottom of this page, you will see recent file list contains how many files. So you can see, you can say I want 5 recent files, not 20 or maybe 3 or maybe 2, whatever you want. I will just keep it on 10, and then you have to press OK. And then whenever you're gonna restart your Photoshop again, opening a bunch of files, it will only show the number of recent files you choose. So that's it. If you have any questions, please write me in comment. Please subscribe and like my video. Thank you. Have a good day.